We continue practice about the fractional and negative indices, and for this one we will work with variable. Exercise 3, you got a here. For this writing, you got y to power of 1 over 3 is mean q root of y. About b, you got 6 root of x. About c, you got square root of a. About d, you got 9 root of t. About e, you got q root of y square. Q root of y square. About f, you got 4 root of x cubed. About g, you got 5th root of b square. And about h, you got 7 root of a4. About I, for this one, I have to convert this become to 1 over x first and 1 over 2 will be outside. Square root of 1 over x here, and then you got 1 over square root of x. 1 over square root of x. Okay, that is question I. Question J, the same thing, you got j to power of negative 1 over 3. So 1 over d first, the outside is 1 over 3, and here is q root of 1 over d, and then 1 over q root of d by this writing. Q root of d by this writing. Okay. Question K. Question K, you got 1 over x and 1 over 8 outside. So you got 8 root of this fraction by this writing, and then you got 8 root of 1 and 8 root of x. So for 1 you still be 1. So for 8 you got for x you got 8 root of x by this writing. Question K we finished. Question L, you got 1 over y, and the negative indices become to positive indices, and then you got q root of 1 over y. So here is 1, and for here you got y, and then y over q root of y here. Question L we finish. Question M, you got 1 over a and 1 over 4 here. Take reciprocal for changing negative indices become to positive indices. Just like the same idea with the previous exercise, you got 1 here and you got 4 here, and 1 over 4 root of a. 4 root of a. Yeah, that is question M. Question M. And how about question N? You got z minus to power of minus the 1 over z to power of positive. Positive of 3 over 4. And 3 over 4 is mean 4 root, and you got cube inside the bracket, apply for all base number. So for this writing, I will got 4 root of 1 cube over z cube. So for here, you will got 1 over 4 root of z to power of 3, like this writing. Yeah. Question O, you got 1 over y, and the power number is positive 3 over 5. The first writing will be 5 root big signal. The next one 1 over y inside the root and 3 outside. Q outside here is 1, and here is y to power of 3. This is y. So here is 1, and here is 5 root of y to power of 3. Y to power 3. Okay. Move to P. How about P? You got expression, but the index law will be unchanged. This is square root. So you got square root of 2x plus 5. About Q, you will have q root of 6q plus r. About R, you got 9 root of a plus b. You got S. How about S here? You will have 1 over 3x minus 1, and you got 1 over 2 outside. And here will be 1, and here is square root of 3x minus 1. about t here, yes, you will got 1 over x plus 7, and the power number will be 2 over 5. And you can apply this for each numerator and denominator. So you will have this writing x plus 7 to power of 2 over 5. Yeah, the numerator will be 1, but the denominator you will got 5 root of x plus 7, and then you got square outside. Yes, by this writing. Question S and question T we finish. I think you should very carefully about your writing for each question in this exercise. This is not easy, a little more complicated. Yeah. The next exercise 4, write in index form. It means you have to convert from the radical or from root here become to the index, the indices. Okay. So square root of t is mean t to power of 1 over 2. Fifth root of y is mean y to power of 1 over 5. Go about C, you got x cubed and you got square root. It means 1 over 2 will be outside. And inside the bracket you got 3. That's why you can take 3 times 1 over 2. 3 inside, 1 over 2 outside, multiply together. After that you got 3 over 2 by this one. About D, you got cube root. This means this expression have to be inside the bracket, and then you got 1 over 3 by this writing. About E, you got 4x plus 1 inside the bracket, and the outside you got square root. It means to power of 1 over 2. Yeah, the first 5 questions about exercise 4 is not too difficult. We move to another one, question F. You can see about the question F, the expression under the root to power of 5 here, and the outside have to be square root. It means the power will be 1 over 2. After that, I will take the number or the power number inside multiply with the power number outside the bracket. And then I will got 5 over 2. About G here, I will have the power of denominator is 2t plus 3. From square root, I can convert this become to 1 over 2, but all these indices is the denominator of this fraction. So I want to convert this about the single indices. I will got 2t plus 3 and then minus 1 over 2. Convert from the denominator become to the numerator, and that change sign of the power number from positive become to negative here. And the same idea with question 8. You will have the outside of this indices will be 3, will be 1 over 2. So for this writing 1 over 2, I will have 5x plus 3 plus y here to power of 3 over 2. After that, you got 5x minus y and to power of negative 3 over 2. Question I will have this one, x minus 2 to power of 2 over 3, and then you got x minus 2 to power of negative 2 over 3 by this writing. Yeah. So move to question G. Question G, you got number 2 outside. You got the constant number, or you got square. Is it square or I think it is square. No, I think it is the constant number. I think so. How about question G? Okay, that is a number. Yeah. So G here, you will got 1 over 2, and the expression inside the root, you will got y over y plus 7. Take 1 over 2 outside, present for the power number. So change position, y plus 7 will be negative 1 over 2 here. Question K, you will got 5, you will have x plus 4, and then you will got q root is mean 1 over 3 here, and 5, you will have x plus 4 over minus 1 over 3, minus 1 over 3. So about L, y squared minus 1 and then 1, 3 here. Y squared minus 1, you got minus 1 over 3. Question L, we finished. Yeah, minus 1 over 3. And the last one is question M, a little complicated. 3 in the numerator, find the denominator, multiply with this one. And for this writing, you got Q and you got 4 root. So the power number will be 3 over 4. 3 over 4 like this one. And then the constant number, I will separate this just like the constant number by this writing. Multiply with the expression a squared plus 2. And the power number had to be changed from the positive become to negative. Negative 3 over 4 had to be here. So we finish question M for this writing.